Sometimes I know it feels like you ain't gonna make it, but you gotta keep pushing so you really can make it.
Welcome back to my channel. So I'm cooking lasagna, y'all. I just got some cheap little noodles. I'm about to put in the water right now. So let's get started. I'm about to burn my ground beef. Let me show you what I put in it. Whatever. Alright, go like that. So I'm gonna do the whole box. I'm just gonna do the whole box. It's gonna be a pretty big lasagna, y'all. So I'm gonna make sure we got enough. Yeah, they'll cook down. Alright, so I'm gonna let them cook down. Let's get started. They're up there. So this is all I'm putting in my lasagna. Just gonna be a regular plain little cheese lasagna. So I'm using mozzarella cheese, and then I got the Mexican style blend. It didn't have mozzarella in it, so I just bought some mozzarella. So I'm gonna use that, and we're gonna use the mozzarella. And of course we got our mushrooms. And I'm using ragu sauce. I got 2 of those. So let's get it. Black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. I got my Tony's Creole seasoning, of course. And I got my accent, and it is it for the seasoning. So I drain my meat, y'all. Drain my meat, and I'm gonna just put my mushrooms in, and then I'm about to add my meat back in, and I'm gonna season my meat and put my sauce in. I'll show y'all that in just a second. I just wanted to show y'all my sauce before I put it in the lasagna. So yeah, that's how good it's looking. You see the mushrooms in there? Yes, honey. Yeah. So I know this is not your traditional lasagna pan, but yeah, my lasagna pan that I usually use is messed up. It's got a hole in the bottom of it. So I just bought this pan for y'all. Remember my vlog? When I went to the grocery store and stuff, to Trader Joe's, I bought this that day. So this is my pan. This is my favorite pan now. But yeah, so we're gonna get started. these New York bread sticks, like garlic sticks. And we're gonna put these in the oven. And I'm making a salad also. I'll show y'all that when I finish. And I also got some Tillsdale sweet bread. And I'm gonna taste this and I'll let y'all know what it tastes like. It was $4 at Winco in the grocery store. Yes, $4. I'm about to get wasted. Yeah. So it's been in there for 40 minutes, y'all. I'm gonna take it out and let it cook for another 15 uncovered. And that is how we wanna do that. So it's been in there for 40. We're gonna slide it back in. We're gonna let it go for 20 more minutes. Alrighty. 20 more minutes uncovered and we'll be ready to go. Not even 20 minutes. That's about 15. So 15 minutes uncovered. And I'll show y'all what it's looking like. Okay, so I got a salad and I just put a little seasoning salt on it, a little black pepper, and I'm gonna add my cucumbers, and I got some bacon bits and cheese. And then I'm also gonna add. So let me add my cheese. Let me add a little bit of cheese on top. You know, because we got enough cheese. I'm gonna add my cucumbers right on top. And just a little simple salad, y'all. Just a little simple salad. Yeah, and cucumbers. I love cucumbers, so man, plenty of cucumbers. And I got some bacon bits. I'm gonna add those right on top of it. So I added a little sun-dried tomatoes. I also added some bacon bits, some cucumbers, and cheese. That is it. I'm gonna add a little more cheese to the top. Y'all can see my sun-dried tomatoes on them. Alrighty, y'all. It's been time. There it is. Y'all see it? Okay. I'm gonna set it there. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna leave my bread stick in there for just a little while longer. So, there it is. All done. Perfectly brown. And just, whew, it's just gonna be so good, you know. That is it, y'all. That is it. Now I'm about to take my breadsticks out of the oven and I'm gonna give them a little dusting of butter, and I'll show y'all my plate when I plate it up. So there is my lasagna, guys. Yummy. I got that little corner. That's my salad and my breadstick. And that is my plate. Video.